had my dog tear up my rear screen door. I had a dog door in the screen, and he's just too big, and tore it up. The basics of screen replacement is that there is a rubber gasket pressed into the edges of the door, holding the screen in place. If you pull on that rubber rope, then it will pull out, and the screen can be removed from the door. But first you need to remove the door from the slides. The way you do that is on the end of the door, at the top and bottom on both sides is a screw hole. You rotate it lefty loose to lower the wheel tracks and remove the door. I bought this pet-proof screen for $20 off of Amazon, and it came with a roller tool, scissors, and a hook. You don't need any of that because you can do it with just a screwdriver, but the roller makes it easier. The proper way to do this is to have equal amounts of slack from left to right and top to bottom. As you press the rubber rope into the mesh, it will pull the mesh off center. So, if you have equal slack, then have a larger margin for error. I've done this several times, so I just align the mesh top corner because I have plans for the excess. To keep the mesh from sliding as you start the rope and to keep it aligned on one side, cut about 6 inches of the old rope and push it into place on the long side. The best way to put the rope in and keep the screen aligned is to pull the rope with you offhand while at the same time with that hand keeping the screen taut. You grip the rope and just press down and away with the side or back of your hand. The rope won't go into the slot unless it's slightly stretched. Here I get some expert help because I really needed the moral support. Once the mesh is in place and the rope is secure, you take a razor blade or some scissors and remove the excess. Scissors will take forever, but you can do it. But if you use a razor blade, be very careful. It's best to do it vertically, not parallel with the screen.